Hello everyone, today we discuss about the what are the journal entry of a purchase and sale transaction. Purchase and sales transactions. First, we know what is the entry of a purchase of goods. There are two types of a purchase: cash purchase and a credit purchase. When we purchase goods, we open a purchase account and use the purchase account instead of goods. Instead of goods, and when we sell goods, open sales account. So first we know what is the entry of a cash purchase. Goods purchased on cash rupees 1000. Goods purchased. Here goods comes into the business. Goods comes in. According to the principle of a real account, debit what comes in. So we debit the goods account, but we use the purchase account instead of a goods account. So we debit the purchase account. And another account involved is cash. Cash is the nature of a real account. Here cash goes out. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So we credit the cash account. And the journal entry of cash purchase, that is purchase account debit rupees 1000 to cash account rupees 1000, and at the end of journal entry given narration about the transaction being goods purchased on cash rupees 1000. And next we know what is the journal entry of a credit purchase. So take an example: goods purchased from Ram on credit rupees 1500. Then here goods purchased means goods comes into the business. So we debit the purchase account. And another account involved Ram, also known as a creditor here. Creditor also known as the supplier. So Ram is a personal account, nature of a personal account. Here Ram is the giver. Ram is the giver. According to the principle of a personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So we credit the Ram account. Then the journal entry is, that is purchase account debit rupees 1500 to Ram's account rupees 1500, and put a narration being goods purchased from Ram on credit rupees 1500. Here goods purchased on cash, and here goods purchased on credit. When goods purchased on cash, purchase account debit, to cash account, and here goods purchase on credit. Then the journal entry purchase account debit to Ram's account or creditor's account. Creditor's account. As like purchase, there are two types of sales: cash sales and credit sales. Then what is the entry of a cash sales? So we take an example: goods sold on cash rupees 5,000. Here goods sold. Goods sold means goods goes out. Goods goes out. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So we credit the sales account. Credit the sales account. When goods are sold, we open an sales account. We open sales account. So here we credit the sales account. And another account involved with cash. Cash comes in. Debit what comes in. So we debit the cash account. And the journal entry of cash sales, that cash account debit rupees 5,000 to sales account rupees 5,000, and give a narration being cash sales made on rupees 5,000. And next we know what is the entry of a credit sale. So take an example: goods sold to Hari on credit rupees 5,000. Here goods sold, goods goes out. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So we credit the sales account. And next Hari. Here Hari is also known as debtor. And Hari is the nature of a personal account. And Hari is the receiver. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So we debit the Hari account. And the journal entry, that is Hari's account debit rupees 5,000 to sales account rupees 5,000, and give a narration being goods sold to Hari on a credit rupees 5,000. Cash sales, the journal entry of cash sales, that is cash account debit to sales account, and the journal entry of credit sales, that Hari's account to sales account. Hari here debtor.